Have you ever noticed that most times price tends to be trapped between two levels? Interesting. Let me say that again. Have you ever noticed that most times price tends to be trapped between two levels? Yes, two levels. So whenever you look at your charts, always look at where price is, because most times price is coming from somewhere and price is going somewhere, and of course price could also be somewhere. If you look at what we have in front of us, this is an area of former support, right? And then you can see yesterday we had this test here and acted a bit as resistance, and now it's here again now. So what are we expecting? We're expecting either it obeys and then drops, or it pushes higher and then hopefully uses this as a launching pad to push higher. So don't forget also, we said something and we always say this, that fake out can easily occur. You could have a fake out here, and if this fake out should occur, it can easily trap you, and then you think it is pushing higher on the breakout and then it drops down. So it's always preferable that you wait for the pullback for entries. Pullbacks are much safer. Now, still talking on price chart between two levels. Keep on looking very well, train your eyes, and then you see two levels right here again where the price seems to be trapped naturally, right? So look at what we have over here. You can see there's an area here. Look at the markings if you look at them very well, and then now price is over here. As price is here, ask yourself, what are you expecting? Is it going to break out, fake out, or is it going to bounce from here? Anyone that we are looking out for, all you have to do is to follow price, right? Let price move and then you react to what price is doing. That is simply what you are supposed to be doing. And then to continue, you can see price is still trapped between two levels. This is even ranging, so you can see the range in this area here, this consolidation, and that's for the Aussie. And then for the Kiwi, you can see the range as well. Now this Kiwi seems to be moving from one range to the other, and of course most times price tends to range more than it trends as well. This is another range which seems to have gotten to more or less this double top area here and then reacted to it. So this is the double top here. This was the top and then another double top. And you can see you could also consider this as a fake out, a false move that might as well have trapped buyers on the breakout. And then look at what happened. It rushed back down, right? And it could even pull down some more and then pull down some more. And then this would even punish those that were trying to enter on the breakout here. And of course, you know your stop loss has to be in place to protect yourself. That is the main reason for using a stop loss in your trades, right? More traps, more traps. Everything still has to do with traps at the end of the day between two levels. Always ensure that you work your way to identifying the levels. And once you identify the levels, then you play the levels. This is one I have over here. You can see more or less in between this 1802 to about 1782. Price seems to be moving sideways, and this is gold, right? And this is on the daily, on the hourly time frame, 1 hour. And on this 1 hour, you look very well. Price seems to have been dropping and then now it's ranging. So the best thing to do is wait for a proper breakout to the upside or a proper breakout to the downside. And if you are adventurous, you could try and play the inside maybe from the scalper's perspective and see whether you can get in at a discounted price, and of course with a much smaller stop loss for a bigger take profit, which would obviously be good for the risk to reward ratio, right? So just always ensure that you plan yourself appropriately before you go pulling the trigger. Have your stop loss in place, and of course calculate your risk management appropriately so that you are not over risking. You're not putting too much load on your account, right? So this is where we're going to stop looking at the majors on gold. Later today by 1:30 p.m. UK time, we have the CPI coming up for the USD. So we should have some volatility across board for the majors and gold. So ensure to protect yourself. If you have any questions, comment in the section below. And of course, this is also an outlook more or less for the rest of the week, and I will be updating this as it progresses, right? So if this video was helpful, do give it a thumbs up, and of course, you know what to do. I will get back to you and see how we can assist you. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your day. Goodbye for now.